Hi guys, it's me, and today we're taking a closer look at a gaming desktop that focuses on delivering strong real-world performance without overcomplicating the experience. This is the Omen 16L, and the first thing you notice is how clean and refined it looks. The white chassis gives it a modern aesthetic that fits just as well in a professional setup as it does in a gaming environment. Under the hood, this system is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F. This processor is designed to handle both gaming and productivity with ease. Whether you're running demanding titles, editing high-resolution videos, or multitasking across multiple apps, it stays smooth and responsive. It's the kind of performance that feels fast not just on paper, but in everyday use. Graphics performance is handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8GB of DDR5 memory. This GPU is built for modern gaming, offering smooth frame rates and enhanced visuals thanks to advanced rendering technologies. Games look sharper, lighting feels more realistic, and overall performance stays consistent even during intense scenes. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to enjoy current and upcoming titles without compromise. Memory and storage are where this system really starts to feel premium. With 32GB of DDR5 RAM, you're getting a level of speed and responsiveness that makes everything feel instant. Switching between applications is seamless, and heavy workloads don't slow things down. Storage includes a fast 1TB SSD for quick boot times and rapid game loading, along with an additional 1TB docking storage option for extra capacity. That combination gives you both speed and flexibility. Cooling and airflow are well optimized, which means the system maintains stable performance even during long sessions. It stays relatively quiet while keeping temperatures under control, which is exactly what you want from a desktop built for extended use. You also get Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, ensuring faster and more stable internet performance, especially useful for online gaming or streaming. With Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, the overall experience feels polished, modern, and ready to go right out of the box. Another practical addition is the included keyboard and mouse. It's a small detail, but it means you can set everything up and start using the system immediately without needing extra accessories. What stands out most here is the balance. This desktop isn't just focused on one aspect. It brings together strong processing power, capable graphics, fast memory, and thoughtful design into a package that works well for both gaming and productivity. If you're looking for a system that can handle demanding tasks today and still stay relevant in the future, this is definitely worth considering. It's built to perform, designed to look clean, and ready to deliver a smooth experience across the board. If you're interested in picking up this setup, make sure to check the link in the description below.